Lean forward, rock back, down, into the wild boar. 1, 2, hold, jump. Step long, around. Head down, through, left arm. Forward, left arm, around. Left arm, step and kick. Up, forward, back, straight down. So what I want to look at today is the end of the form. So we're going to start from the horse position that we get to. From this horse position, we're going to come forwards in the same way as we have before. 1, 2, and into the wild boar sequence. 1, 2. Then here we change. This back leg, we're going to jump out onto the side. The movement of the leg is the same as the third kick. Sorry, the second kick, vitukal. So from here, the leg through and jump. Here. And then step long to the corner, this diagonal corner. Steps forward. 1, 2, lean forward, back, down. 1, 2, jump. Step long to the corner. 1, 2, lean forward, rock back. 2 steps. 1, 2, jump. Step long. Then the 2 hands go, the right arm turns, so the palm is up. So from here to here. Then this hand is going to take the head down to the knee, through to the other side. And then as you come up, this left arm breaks this circle here. So the movement of the arms is this. The right arm comes behind the ear to the other side and through. So from one ear to the other ear, through. This is the movement of the arms. From here then, around, down, through, up, down. 1, 2, jump, step long. 2 hands go. Then the right hand behind the right ear, left ear, down, through, strike. Then we do the same thing with the arms. So again, this way around, forward. Again, we do the same thing. This time the right leg steps all the way around this way, behind, here. Rock back, down, into the wild boar. 1, 2, jump, step long, around, take the head, down, left arm through. Step forward, step around. Right hand round, head down, left arm through. Step forward, left arm through, step around. And here we step and kick. Bring the hands together, forward, back, and then straight down into the elephant. Lean forward, rock back, down, into the wild boar. 1, 2, hold, jump. Step long, around. Head down, through, left arm. Forward, left arm, around. Left arm, step and kick. Up, forward, back, straight down. Excellent. So we've now completed the Arrapukai form. This is the Shakti water form. We will be looking at the Shakti fire form later in the course. Both of these forms are female forms, both designed to have a cooling, softening effect on the body. Great. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks very much for your time and attention. From me, Nalekanam, and I'll see you next time.